Have you ever said something in English that was correct, but didn't sound very polite or professional? What if I told you that changing just a few everyday phrases could instantly make you sound more confident, respectful, and fluent? Today, you'll learn simple word upgrades that transform your conversations at work, school, and in daily life. Let's level up your English. Language is not just about grammar, it's about impression. The words you choose can make you sound more polite, more professional, more confident, more friendly. Even small changes can make people feel respected and valued. Let's look at powerful phrase upgrades you can start using today. Common phrase: thank you. Upgrade: I appreciate it. Why it's better: it shows genuine recognition of someone's effort. Example: coworker: I finished the report for you. You: I appreciate it. That really helped me. This sounds warmer and more sincere.
Segment 3. Sorry to I apologize. Common phrase, sorry. Upgrade, I apologize. Why it's better: it sounds more responsible and professional. Example: I apologize for the delay in my reply. Perfect for emails, meetings, and formal situations. Segment 4. You're welcome to my pleasure. Common phrase, you're welcome. Upgrade, my pleasure. Why it's better: it shows you're happy to help. Example: customer: thank you for your help. You: my pleasure. This creates a positive, friendly impression. Segment 5. Can you repeat that to come again? Common phrase, can you repeat that? Upgrade, come again. Why it's better: it sounds softer and more conversational. Example: sorry, come again? I didn't catch that. Great for casual conversations. Segment 6. I don't understand to could you clarify? Common phrase, I don't understand. Upgrade, could you clarify what you mean by that term? Why it's better: it encourages explanation without sounding negative. Example: could you clarify what you mean by that term? Perfect for meetings and learning environments. Segment 7. Goodbye to take care. Common phrase, goodbye. Upgrade, take care. Why it's better: it adds warmth and kindness. Example: it was great talking to you. Take care. Leaves a positive final impression. Segment 8. Nice to meet you to it's a pleasure to meet you. Common phrase, nice to meet you. Upgrade, it's a pleasure to meet you. Why it's better: it sounds more respectful and polished. Example: it's a pleasure to meet you, Mr. Rahman. Ideal for professional introductions. Target segment, quick recap. Let's review your upgrades. Thank you to I appreciate it. Sorry to I apologize. You're welcome to my pleasure. Can you repeat that to come again? I don't understand to could you clarify? Goodbye to take care. Nice to meet you to it's a pleasure to meet you. Small changes, big impact. Closing message. Remember, improving your English isn't about using difficult words. It's about choosing words that show respect, clarity, and kindness. When you upgrade your phrases, you upgrade your presence. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment which phrase will you start using today, and subscribe to Clear Voice English for more practical English tips. And share this video with a friend who wants to sound more confident in English.